Beloved pilgrims, dear devotees and friends in faith, on behalf of Universidad de Santa Isabel de Naga Incorporated, I warmly welcome you to the pilgrim city of Naga for this year's Peña Francia Fiesta with the theme, Our Lady of Peña Francia, Mother to All. We gather not only to continue a cherished tradition, but to celebrate a devotion that has been handed down to us as a gift. One we are called to live with sincerity, humility, and service. This fiesta reminds us that Ina walks with her children. Si Ina, minalakaw kaiba ta sa mga tinampo, mga salog, mga harong, bakong bilang reyna, kundi bilang ina para sa gabos. As Mother of the Church, she gathers us together as one family, bringing closer her sons and daughters as fellow pilgrims on the journey of faith. Our Archbishop, Most Reverend Rex Andrew C. Alarcon, invites us to show our devotion through concrete action by caring for our common home. In doing so, our love for Ina becomes active, life-giving, and transformative. Mary teaches us the synodal way to be present to one another, to listen with humility, to walk together, to welcome, and to serve. She leads us into prayer and communion, but also sends us out in mission, not just to serve tradition, but to bring about renewal and transformation in our lives and in the lives of those we serve. May your pilgrimage to Ina strengthen you in faith, hope, and charity. With Mary, our Mother to all, let us walk together in simplicity and love, always closer to Christ, who is the heart of our devotion. Dagos po kamo sa siyudad ni Naga. Viva la Virgen! Viva el Divino Rostro!